Let's talk about how to export your IdeaMax presentations. First, let's open our IdeaMax file by double-clicking on Test Review. Now that the file is open, we see that all of our slides are here. To export this presentation, click on the Menu button. In the options, select Export. In the pop-up window, choose where you would like to save this presentation and name the file. Then go to the Save as Type menu and choose what file you would like to export the IdeaMax file to. Options include a Word document, Excel spreadsheet, PowerPoint, WPS Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, PDF file, web page file, PNG, and IWB file. For this, we'll choose PDF. Now that it has been exported, let's exit the program, and you'll notice that the exported file is now in our folder as a PDF.